place I've ever seen. I don't really know how to say it. I'm gonna have you try to figure it out. It's right here with the purple awning. That's because there's one car parked in the worst place. Is that even parking?
No.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
The breakdown lane.
Should not make assumptions.
Super crazy. You're the next door neighbor? Yeah, so seriously, we're just hanging out and then all of a sudden just shot pouring out.
Well, it's the same, it must be. So do these things that like, oh, it was hard for me not to buy things every now and then. Holy shit.
Jesus.
Be an old dude if I had my own mansion, own zoo. Okay, what the fuck's going on? You're gonna fucking do it, bro? There you go.
Oh, that's why you talk to me. Well, and so now I'm just like, listen, if I can't understand you, I'm gonna pretend I didn't do a thing.
Dave and Chuck the Freak. From live in the studios, Studio 61 from my Boston. Rock 92.9, Boston's next generation of classic rock.
Hey, it's Dave and Chuck the Freak on Boston's new Rock 92.9. Our show continues next, and right after that, check out Adam 12.
Like years now?
What?
Dog. I want some sunfish.
Oh.
Jesus, man. Oh, that's why.
Thanks.
Oh, fuck, man. Because you're just mad at her.
I was just absolutely like...
Streets that loop around weird places, so it's kind of the same there. You're gonna go, man. It's a green light.
Seems like a lot of like apartment complexes and old buildings.
Yeah, which
cool.
I like a lot.
Yeah,
dude, figure it out.
That is another thing I actually kind of like about Kelly and Connor's apartment is that they have like the lobby and all that.
Don't back up. Just fucking go, dude. You're such a wimp. I would have been past that guy by now. Christ. Oh, and you're gonna drive 3 goddamn miles an hour up this street. While they also search for a parking spot.
Looks like it, yeah. Oh, nice signal.
at all until the pandemic started.
I literally
And
didn't understand what Discord was until like you guys were like, hey, we have a Discord.
yeah,
And I was like, okay.
and that was probably pretty soon. You want to go, man?
I knew that it was a thing, and I like kind of.
What?
You know the subway is the underground railroad. The Lynch trees have the same white look. Check out my arms. I look just like him.
I wanted that. Are you not? What are you doing? Well, I could have taken it now that I know you. What are you doing? Okay.
Where the tire was. Yeah, who knows what he did, dude. It's hard to explain to the officer that you're not drunk. You're in that specific setting. You know you're driving.
I do miss, honestly, I do really.